So here's how you make the name card. I'm going to use that on the cake that I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut out a rectangle. Because it's a wooden placard, the name card. I'm just going to make a few slits. And then obviously some wooden textures, so Dresden 2 comes in picture. I'm also going to dust like how I've dusted on the bottom tier. So this is just done, and I just need one stick or a stand for the name card. So this, I don't want the shape to change, however just lift it and then place it back in one corner and allow it to dry. And this is the stand or the pole of the name card. Just get some textures here as well. So you could stick it on the cake. Until then we could just allow it to dry. So it's going to be like this on the cake. Also, if you just trying to put some nails like this name board is just attached, say maybe on a wall or something, you basically have something like 4 nails which you just want to make a tiny ball shape. I'm just going to flatten it. I'm just going to make a cross. So I'm just going to use a little bit of glue and then add these small nails on 4 corners. And I'm going to go in and then dust them with the same way we did for the bottom tier to get the grooves pop out, and then I'll catch you up in the lesson where I'm going to use this name board on the cake when we complete making our 3D fondant cake.